Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate Shift Lock in Roblox quickly and easily. Let's get started. Once you're in a Roblox game, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will open a menu with several options, and you will need to click on Settings to access the configuration menu. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice that Shift Lock is set to off by default. To activate it, simply click on the arrow next to this option to turn it on. After clicking outside the box, the configuration will be saved automatically. Now, when you press the Shift key, you'll see a small dot, indicating that Shift Lock is activated. This will allow you to move the mouse and change the camera angle more smoothly. To deactivate it, just press the Shift key again and the dot will disappear, returning you to the normal mode. And that's it. Now you know how to activate Shift Lock in Roblox.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.